Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Google Forms to book on-site visits. So let's get started with the video. So once you are open any of the browser and once you are logged in, what you need to do is you can either type forms.google.com on the browser, forms.google.com. Or the second thing, in order to go to the forms, is you can click on this 8 dots that basically you see here, 9 dots. You need to click on that. You need to scroll down till the end. And here you will see an option of forms. You can also click on this forms. The next is click on blank form, the plus icon that you will see. So in order to create a form for book site visit, we need a few details like name, email address, phone number, preferred date of visit, what are the time slots, and if any kind of service needed. So let's get started. You can also edit it according to your needs. So here you will see multiple choice option. Click on this drop down menu and choose short answer. For names, here we can enter name. And if this is the required field, you just mention enable this required, toggle it on. The next thing is if you want to add another one, you can click on this plus icon of add question. It will take you to the another question. Here again you can choose short answer. And here we can write the another question that is of email address. The next thing is, if this is required as well, you can again toggle it on. It totally depends on your need, how the Google form you want to create. Again, we can click on the plus icon. And if we want to add phone number, we can create another short answer. The phone number will again be the short answer as we want them to write it. The next one we will want is preferred date of visit. So for this we need to choose not short answer, we need to choose the date over here. You will get a date option as well, and here we can write in the question preferred date of visit, when they want to visit the site. If this one is also required because we are creating the form for the visit. Next one is again the plus icon. In this we need to choose the time slot, which time slot they are going to choose. For this one we need to choose the multiple choice option, that is basically from the drop down you need to choose that. The option one we can set the time according to our need. You can choose the time. For example, you want from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Again, for this you can add another option and choose the time. For example, this one is 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. It totally depends on you how much you want, and this is also required as well. The last one you can add, that is for again a paragraph or multiple choice, depends on you. You can write the paragraph because we don't know how long the client is going to write, and this is the service needed or the notes if they want to add any extra note. This is also marked as required. Once this has been done, the next thing is we need to connect it to the Google Sheet. You need to go to the responses section, and here you will get an option to link to sheet. You need to click on this plus, create a new sheet or select an existing one. We will create a new sheet and then click on create. It will take you to the next page where you have created all the things that we have done. Now if you will share this Google form, you need to go to the settings, and here if you want to make any changes, if you want to make as a quiz, you want to see any kind of responses, how many have responded, you can see here as well. Or you can go to the Google Sheet. If any one of them respond, it will automatically fill this. Now you can share this. You can click on the share icon and you can share this particular link. You can click on done and share the particular link to anyone whom you want to share. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.